Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a fan-inspired Draw So Cute fall girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right across, say about this way, and draw another circle. And so now I have my circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now the eyes in, let's come to the sides right here. I'm just going to spruce them up with some lashes. So just nice, simple lashes, maybe about 2 of them. And same thing here. 1 and 2. And then let's come to the top of the eyeball right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And same thing right across. Soft curve. Then from there, let's go and get ahead and give her a sweet smile. So about right here in the center, go ahead and draw a soft curve, and it goes up a little bit and then cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the bottom of a U to frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, really close to the lashes. Right here, I'll give myself a point. And same thing here. This just tells me where I'm going, makes it a little bit easier. So I'm just going to come around the eyes. And then I'm going to find my center. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, just kind of imagining where I want that point to be, her chin. And then from there, I'm just going to use that point as my guide to bring in this curve. So I'm just going to make it a little bit pointier. So down to that point. And then same thing here. Oops, this part is always the hardest and most delicate part. Okay, so there. Okay, frame your face in. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this up a little bit more towards her brow. And then we're going to draw the top of her hair. So I'm just kind of imagining an oval. So towards the side, I'm going to part her hair. So say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And from here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve that comes down to right there where we started and come out. And then on this side, we're just going to finish it off and come down. Then let's come back up right here where her hair parts, and we're just going to draw this curve that comes up to about right there. And we're going to go up on this side and down on this side. So before we do that, well, let's go up right here. Let's go up, top of her hair, and we're going to start to come down. It's a little bit narrow towards this side, so bring this down and in. So let's see here, let's work on this side first. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit, and then right in this area, I'm going to draw a curve that comes in. So it's like she's tucking her hair behind her ear. And then right here, draw a curve for her ear. So same thing over here. Well, kind of. We're just going to bring this curve down a little bit simpler. And then her ear is just going to be tucked right here. So let's bring this down. And then we're just going to come in a little bit and then out. Just give her hair some movement. Same thing here. Just bring it in and out. There. So very simple hairstyle. And right here. So I'm just going to bring this up. So this Draw So Cute Fall Girl is inspired by one of you cuties, right? With your comments for us to vote on. But I also used her profile, her thumbnail picture to draw her hairstyle. So hopefully, congratulations to the winner, and hopefully you love how I drew you. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her body first before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right here, draw a neck, and I'm going to come down, shoulders, so about right here, curve it out, and curve it out right there. And then I'm going to come back in this area. So this fall girl is supposed to be wearing a sweatshirt. So I give a collar right here, and then about right here, kind of like where her armpit area will be a little bit wider out because it's a sweatshirt. Just gonna give myself 2 points. From there, I'm gonna come out a little bit baggier. So 2 angle lines. She didn't say hoodie, she just said sweatshirt. So I'm just gonna make it a regular sweatshirt. And then from there, let's bring this down. And we're gonna come in. And then let's come in here and wobble a little bit and connect. And then we're going to draw the bottom of our sweatshirt. And connect. And so then this top part, we're going to bring it out, a line, and about here. There. And then she's wearing brown tights. So right underneath, really close to that part, we're just going to draw a slight angle line. And then this is where her legs are going to start. So we're going to draw 2 angle lines out. And then come back right here and here. So let's work on this leg first. So we're just going to go angle it down, and we're going to get narrower as we come to the bottom. So about right here, I'll stop, and she wanted her to wear boots. So I'm going to stop it right here, give our boots a little cuff. And then I'm going to keep going down with her boots. I'm going to come down, and then we're just going to flare it out. So very simple pair of boots right there. Now come in here with a sole for the boots. So same thing on this side. So thank you, cuties. Once again, I wasn't sure what I was mumbling earlier, but thank you, cuties, for always helping me with these awesome ideas. I always love reading your ideas, and thank you for being so sweet to each other and helping each other vote and telling each other that you love each other's ideas. And hopefully you like the one that I picked right here. I tried to do a vote, but it got too complicated on the YouTube voting thing to make a poll, so I just said, oh, forget it. And I just picked myself. Okay, so right here, just gonna connect it. And same thing. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So nice and simple to the sides. We're just gonna come down with these long sleeves. Just poof it out a little bit, and about right here. I want her hands to be about here. Come in. I'm just going to use the side of her sweatshirt. Connect. Cuff right here, and then the fingers. So thumb and fingers. It's a little small, huh? It's okay. So let's same thing here. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. So same exact thing. You're just going to come right here and use this point right here. Give it a little bit of poof. Connect. Little cuff, and then fingers. I think this one is a little bit better. There, more this size rather than this one. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and finish her hair. So I'm just going to wobble a little bit and just bring it in. and bring it in there. Okay, so then now that we have that, draw a little detail right here. And let's see. Okay, so the special part about this sweatshirt is that she wanted a face of a bear. So I'm going to come right in this area and I'm going to draw, let's see here, 2 little dots right here and then big oval. So nice and simple, hopefully. And then we're going to come to the top right here and draw this big bear nose. And then a mouth right there, and then right under over the eyes. Just gonna come right here with a curve and then connect it. For the face. And then let's see here, we're gonna draw a hat because we need to make it festive. It was supposed to be for fall, right? But now we're hitting winter, so now I'm putting it for Christmas. So for bear, the ears, and then the top of our hat. So let's just bring this out right here, and then in, and then a little poofy ball there. And of course, we need to put a heart somewhere, so I'll just put it right here to decorate the sweatshirt, and not just one's enough, right? I really hope you love how this turned out. You can add some crease lines right here for our sweatshirt here as well. But that is pretty much it. And thank you, cuties, once again for always giving me these wonderful ideas for my Draw So Cute girls. And congratulations to the winner. And I really hope you cuties love how this turned out and that inspires you to draw it as well. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.